There's like holes, and then you adjust the holes.
Yeah. So, do you think that's ugly? Damn. Hesitation says a lot, you know.
It looks great.
Thank you.
You have to be honest to him. Don't lie to him.
Oh yeah, it looks
no
like
lying.
horrible. But it's fine.
I think it's gonna look good. Listen, you have to trust the process. It's
Yep.
almost like me getting ready in the morning, you know?
What?
Nothing.
You're pretty without makeup.
Aww. That was
Easy.
cute.
Thank you.
Do we get stuff like that all the time on the MisterArther stream?
Like compliments?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Sometimes.
Compliments.
He's German.
Compliments are being served where compliments are due.
You haven't complimented me at all today.
Did I not?
No.
Shit. Well, I think you're a handsome fella. You're very mature for your age, at the same time not.
What?
Which is a good thing.
What is this shit compliment sandwich, bro?
What do you mean?
He's German, I'm telling you. He does the sandwich method where he'll like compliment you, insult you, then compliment
No,
you.
that's all a compliment. I think staying young in your mind is important.
I think I'm pretty mature for 19.
You're 24.
Oh yeah.
Did you ever go rock climbing?
I've been like once.
Oh shit, welcome.
I went in Nippon Deska. Japan?
Oh,
Never been.
It was chill.
okay. Chandler, I think I will need your help though to
Okay.
find things.
What's up?
I will need oh, there we go. A drill with the right bits.
Ooh, there's little chairs too.
So,
Yeah.
personally, I am a fan of Dewald because thanks to Chad.
You're a fan of what?
Chandler's 24. He is younger than me, FFS.
Chat, how old are you guys? We've been over this before. Listen, y'all are old. It's okay.
Oh, there we go. Oh, there we go. There we go.
Y'all are doing a great job. Found my spot.
Damn, you can tell, like, you guys use your tools. They're not just here for show. Like,
We all use the tools,
right.
including me.
No, but, like, I can tell that you guys actually, like, use that shit all the time. Okay.
Damn, y'all are old. Oh,
Well,
no, we got a few 19s in the chat.
19, holy glazer. I feel like sometimes you can tell when there is, like, a big age gap between people
Yeah.
in chat, because some people be saying shit, and then the other people in the chat that are way older are just confused.
Yeah. Yeah, like I don't really get any of the jokes you say, Arthur.
I feel like I'm very practical. I don't really joke much.
What?
I'm becoming very serious usually.
Yeah, but sometimes you try to joke and I don't get them.
He rage baits. That's what he does.
And it's really funny.
Thank you.
Right?
Until it's not.
Right, Julia?
Right.
Arthur's so funny.
I just turned 53. What
Ah,
the
you
I
are
fuck?
lying.
I just realized that you're saying all this shit while wearing your Lightning McQueen Crocs.
Okay,
Why did you wear those?
Aura.
2/3 of what I'm wearing, I got sent by my community. These
And
Lightning
white
McQueens.
socks.
So?
What's wrong with white socks?
Yeah,
Dude,
what's
we're
wrong
about
with
to
them?
we're about to do. Oh my god!
You're the only one that's wearing black socks.
You're the
What's
only
wrong
one
with
not
you?
wearing.
Because first of all, we're walking around dirt. Why would I wear white socks?
Well, because it shows how pure we are.
We're so pure.
Okay.
Wait, Arthur, wait, can I guess?
Not
how old,
even.
how old you are?
How old do I look?
Well, I have a different answer for that one.
Damn.
I would probably say.
Yes.
Wait, which one do you want an answer for? How old you are, or how old do I think you are?
How old?
You look-
Okay, no. How old does he look, and then how old do you think he is?
You look maybe 36,
Shut the fuck
and
up.
I'm guessing you're 27.
What? You meant it the other way around.
No, you look 36, and I'm guessing you're 27.
It's the beard.
It's the beard. It's the man. I'm so handy.
Okay, so I am
You know?
25.
You're not 25.
Yes, I am.
You're dead not.
March 18th, 2001. Go look it up. Famous streamer birthdays or whatever it's
Let
called.
me ask.
I go way back
Rock.
with Kai Cenat, it said.
Is that the math?
I think so.
How old is Mr. Arthur?
He's literally 40.
Are you being for real?
Yeah.
Julia, you don't look a day over
Be careful.
22.
Thank you, Chandler. That's so sweet.
You're 41?
Wait.
You're fucking 41, bro.
Wait, show me your phone. Twitch streamer and content creator MisterArther is
Wait, is that on Google?
You're dead 41?
Wait, does it actually say that?
Twitch streamer and frequent and content creator MisterArther is 41 years old.
This is what I'm saying about social media. The more you just like spam a lie, it just becomes the
You're
truth.
41?
Nah, well, technically I turned 42 this year, yeah.
God damn, you're
Google,
old.
Yeah, Google is kind of like behind on this. That is, okay.
Yeah, I will say
How
That
do
is
you know
insane.
what Twitch is, bro?
the age gap is a little, you know,
I
shows sometimes.
was one of the beta testers when they first started developing Justin TV.
Damn.
Yeah.
42 and 26.
You're 41 years old, bro. That's insane.
That is like.
Do you ever like think about like what people have achieved in 41 years, and you're like doing this shit?
Okay, listen. What do you mean doing this shit? This
Look at it.
is for the animals. Okay? This is for the animals. Okay?
I don't know, man. I feel like Steve Jobs like made the iPhone or whatever.
Oh my
in,
God,
like, 41
Chandler.
years.
Okay, but I'm
Holy
making
shit.
this for Fortnite ambassador Maya Iga.
That way true. That's kind of on the same level. No, you actually stumped me there. You're right.
Thank you.
Damn.
Yep. So, so what I want to do is, wait, what is the best way to have like a whole? I think this is like the best whole system, low key.
Yeah.
What? Dude.
I can't. This is.
I have a question.
Yeah.
Am I going crazy?
So maybe to delete this ugliness, what if you just do like different modes?
What do you mean different modes?
Like what if you have like maybe this is wasteful on the plywood, but you have like one that's like this long, that makes it go down here, and then one that's like this long. Do you know what I mean?
So I have different two, but then where
Does that not make sense?
Okay, but where does the one go that's too long? What if it's like
We
if
have
push pop?
storage.
But you will lose it probably.
What?
I think if
Ask me where anything is, and I'll go grab it.
I heard you walk over there and ask them where the tables were at.
Okay,
Yeah.
so we're dead ass lying now. We DA lying now.
You're calling me a liar?
Yes.
This is where he goes, I ain't calling you a truther, but you're too young.
Ooh. To be fair, I think it's your glasses that make you look a little bit too. I think that's where like the authority comes. Glasses.
What if I?
Are they actually with prescription?
Yeah.
Can I wear them?
Yeah, but they're like kind of fake. It's like the minimum you need to get. Ooh.
Wow, Mr. Arthur.
Why do you look so good?
Wait, what is your vision? Minus 0.5? Negative 0.5?
41 never looked so good.
Thank you.
He kind of looks older now, though.
Okay,
Oh, true.
if I had to guess your vision, it's
He
like
looks
negative
dumber.
0.5.
It's like around there, yeah.
Yeah, because
I
I'm
just get a headache when I don't wear glasses, so it's like,
really.
yeah.
I'm negative 0.75 and negative 1. Yeah, so I've been like sweating all over it.
Oh, that's nice.
I
We are never going to get this finished.